I generated this background music and an opening jingle, all with AI for free.
How to generate any music track for your YouTube video.
You know that feeling when you're searching for the perfect song for your next YouTube video, you find one and then it has that good old Audio Jungle watermark on it, or you pay for an expensive subscription to get a license only to get a copyright claim anyway. Well, what if I told you that never has to happen again? All of the music that you hear in the background of this video has been generated by AI based on a text description written by me, and to do that, I used UDIO. At the moment, it's completely free and you can generate up to 600 songs per month, which should be more than enough for any YouTube channel. You can check out loads of examples of what the AI has generated on the homepage, and some of them are pretty mind-blowing. There's really no way to tell that it's not real musicians. The site is currently in beta, so it's completely free and you can use any tracks generated from here without getting copyright claimed. But obviously the best part is creating something unique for yourself. Let's say I need some background music for my next travel video. The perfect music helps to convey the right emotions and feelings to your audience. It can also just change some really boring footage into something much more engaging to watch. I already have this B-roll montage edited together, but it needs the perfect track to make it pop. And to get the best out of any AI, you need a good text prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and make an instrumental track first and just type in exactly what I want to hear. In this case, I'm just going to put relaxing tropical house beat. Hit create, and that's made 2 tracks for us in less than a minute. Now, I've got to say, these sound pretty good already. Both of them suit my montage really well, but what if I wanted the track with vocals instead? If I just switch over to auto-generated mode, keep the same prompt and hit create again, we've now got 2 more options we can use.
Find your escape, sweet escape. Feel the breeze that...
Now, like I said, your music choice can completely change the feeling of your footage. So let's say I want to change up the vibe completely and go for something more romantic or cinematic. And all I'm going to do is change the prompt to cinematic orchestra for a beautiful moment. And once again, it's generated 2 more options for me. You can choose any genre, any style, and it will make it. These options sound pretty good as well, so you're going to have to let me know in the comments below. Would you go for the tropical house beat, or would you go for something more cinematic? Let me know. But the UDIO AI is even more customizable than this. You can even write your own lyrics for a song. You already heard the jingle at the start of this video, which I created with the prompt upbeat jingle for a 1960s radio show, and by hitting the custom lyrics button, I added exactly what I wanted it to sing. You can generate full custom songs with UDIO by specifying a specific verse, a bridge, and a chorus. And that's exactly what I did for the outro song on this video, so make sure you stick around for that. But short jingles in general can be a really great way to introduce your channel or a series. You can even introduce segments within a video. Big YouTubers do this all the time, especially with podcasts, but we don't have the same budget as them. Hiring an actual musician to write you a custom song is very expensive, and for now, this option is free. So I'm going to go ahead and write a prompt for old school hip hop. I'll keep the same lyrics as my jingle before, and let's see what it comes up with. Here we go. Well, it's not hip hop, but it's still pretty good. And this is actually a really great example of how AI isn't perfect every single time. You just need to keep refining your prompts until you get something good. So if I go back and be more specific once again about the type of music that I want, I'll get a better result. Or you could even just regenerate the same prompt again and you'll always get something new. And like I said, I generated a full custom song for the outro of this video with all of my own lyrics. So play us out, UDIO.
It's been great to have you here, Afi.